Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both models, charge to full, then fit the earbuds for isolation and comfort. This changes bass and noise control. First action: insert the correct tip size, rotate to lock, and confirm a seal with spoken bass test. Once done, pair through Bluetooth and open the Sony Headphones Connect app to confirm firmware updates and set device names. Make sure to test left and right audio separately so you catch channel imbalances early. This prevents false diagnostics later. Now you measure performance systematically. Run the same track at consistent volume and test codecs, LDAC, AUC, SBC, because codec choice affects quality and latency. For ANC, toggle modes and listen to traffic and wind. Note that Sony WF-1000xm5 yields deeper cancellation, while WF-C700N preserves ambient awareness with lower power consumption. Next, stress the battery. Run continuous music at typical volume. You finish by aligning features to your priorities. Choose Sony WF-1000xm5 if ANC, high-res codecs, and premium sound matter. Pick WF-C700N if you want lighter weight, clearer mids, and better value. Once decided, confirm multi-point support, IP rating, and case dimensions to ensure pocketability. Finally, if you encounter issues, perform a factory reset, repair to a second device to isolate problems, and update firmware. This resolves most issues. If problems persist, contact support for warranty steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.